Very great afternoon, dear participants. Let us start now our value added course on holistic personality and life skill development. Today is day 2 of Module 1. Module 1 is of goal setting and coaching, and today is second day. The course is organized by Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning of AISSMS College of Engineering Pune, which I am coordinating this center. I am Dr. Mrs. Mangal Hemant Hind. You can contact me on this mail ID or phone number for any doubt or clarification. So yesterday we have seen various skills required for the employment, because now I told you by 2025 reskilling is required. 50% reskill needs will be changed because world is moving very fast. Now industry 4 revolution is started since last 2 years, and due to this industry 4 revolution, earlier it used to be era of information technology, ICT, information communication and technology, or computer literacy, or ICT literacy, or information literacy, now you can just see everything is available freely online. Also number of courses are there, and then social media, YouTube's lot of knowledge is available at the fingertip. So with such a that area was ICT, everything used to be very now available and then freely in abundant at a fingertip, internet also. But now latest technology is to have the interconnection of all the technology which are available. Networking has come very important aspects, because now we are sitting in a global. I told you the example of this session. Earlier it would have been physical, but now we are sitting online. So any from anywhere from globe can attend this my session today. So the world has come very near. So internetworking is very important. Means all country peoples you are sitting together. So what way I am talking, in what speed I am moving, that will be difficult to grasp all the country peoples. So I am as a speaker, I should change my qualities so that diversified people can understand what I am talking. So speed should be adequate, language should be adequate. So all the skills requirement are changing slowly. Internet working has importance. Then diversification has importance. And then we have also discussed what skills are required. Top 10 skills I told you about, in that leadership skill is important. Then creativity thinking, design thinking is important, problem solving is important, and then how this skill you can improve. So I told you some few hints, and now you have to think on yourself, what is your skill, where it is standing, whether it is weak or strong, and then you make a goal statement that I want to improve leadership skill. You will say like this, but that is not called as goal setting. For goal setting, first condition is you have to frame the sentence in present tense. So if you want to improve leadership skill, you will write your goal statement. I have become a popular leader. My leadership qualities have been groomed. My leadership skills are developed too much. Like that, present. That we'll see in detail. So let us see what is about leadership skills. So you may not be a manager straight away, but graduate means leadership is taken misunderstood concepts are there. Leadership is confused with the authority. It is not like that. Leadership means lead. Lead means come ahead. Suppose I am just asking one question, who will help me in this work? Immediately somebody will come ahead. That is called as leadership. You are leading, you are showing the people, you are showing the participant how to do that work. So that is leadership. Okay, so it is not just like a manager skill or manager work, but a graduate or anybody can be leader. And first leadership journey starts with leading ourselves, okay, and then leading colleagues. So it's about assigning and delegating the task well. setting deadlines and leading by good example. So suppose if I am just want now, you are sitting there and I want to distribute some work among participants, so I have to decide to whom I can give which work. So that is also the leadership skill. Okay, so now this leadership skill, how you can improve, or for how you can think that that will be developed. Leadership is the action, it is not the position. It is the action of leading a group or people or an organization. Because I told you, whenever leadership word comes, it is the teamwork. Okay, leading ourselves is the first step. We should lead ourselves, then only we can lead others. But whenever leadership word comes, work always stands with team or some with other members, other colleagues. Okay, so people have long confused that I told you. Leadership is confused with authority, power, and influence. So don't take that meaning. And leadership is not also heroship. Okay, it is collective, not an individual practice. It is collective. So if two, three persons are coming together, then question comes, who will be leader? Generally, we use leadership in a negative sense. We say she is a leader, he is a leader. That aspects are negative, but consider the positive aspects of leadership. Okay. Now, leadership skill, it is the action of leading a group of people or an organization. Leadership is the ability of the individual or a group of individuals to guide. Because why we are considering these leadership aspects? Because second module is just frame on this leadership skill. Okay. So it's so important. We have seen according to National Education Policy, AICT handbook, or just a World Economic Survey. So leadership is the process of persuasion or example. You have to persuade others. You have to influence other. Might be with the coaching, might be with counseling, might be with motivating. So if you start doing this action, naturally you will become a leader. So for leader, you have to learn how to coach the people, how to motivate, how to appreciate, encourage, and then counsel. So you have to persuade the people. So persuasion is very important. Persuasion or leading by the example. Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act toward achieving a common goal. The goals will be always common because leadership is in a group. So when we will see the leadership, that will be towards the common goal of the group. Okay, so if suppose I am counseling only one student or one participant, that will be not called as a leadership. If I am counseling a group for common outcome or a common objectives, common dream, common goal, then only I will become leader. So we need to understand what is the team objective. Suppose you are participant sitting today. So you need to understand what is the our objective today, and then if you will lead, then you will become leader. So already I told you that I will give appreciation certificate. So let us see now who will be leader in today's competition. Okay, so this is second game. Now go to polleverywhere.com. Go to polleverywhere.com. Take a pause because I don't want to continue just bombarding by the my presentation. Okay, go to polleverywhere.com, or I will just post this link. 1 minute. I will post this link and then you can click it. Okay. Okay, I have posted it. Now click the link. Click the link and be ready. Go to polleverywhere.com, pollev.com. You can also use user ID. You don't put your name as a user ID. You put Mangal then 581, 589 because you have to connect with me. So go to pollev.com or click that link and then user ID you will use Mangal then 589 and then it will come as a join and then you write your name. Okay. When you will press join, then you write your name. And let me know if you are joined. Post in our group, goal setting group, you post it. If you could join, let me know. Post it in the group. Let me know in the group if you could join it. Whether anybody could join this, polev.com. Go to polev.com. Use login Mangalden589 and then join with your name. Have you joined or no? Anybody? Any problem whether you are getting? No, just don't use this link. Just go to polev.com. Go to polev.com. See here, go to polev.com. Don't use that link. Go to polev.com. Go to polev.com and use user ID Mangal589. Use Mangal589. And then join with your. You can see personal qualities are also important. These personal qualities we will see in leadership model in detail or different qualities and then you will assess few qualities also. So personal qualities which are very important from job prospectus point of view or professional success. You should be first ambitious. So ambitious is very important. Creative, compassionate, patient, courageous, flexible, honest, humble, honorable, or integrity should be very high. You should be loyal and conscientious, then persistence, resilient, disciplined, and ambitious. So, all these characteristics you ask yourself, are you having these qualities strong? If you are honorable, are you humble? Are you creative, compassionate, patient? And then, if you think like that, I can say resiliency is very less, then make your goal statement. Our objective of this model is goal statement and making them to successful. Suppose persistence, I am not persistent and I must be persistent. Continuous consistency is very important. So that way you just focus on these character traits and make your values which is very important, which is lagging, and then you can make goal plan on your personal qualities also. So these personal qualities can be divided as whether you are emotionally stable or emotionally unstable, whether you are introverted or extroverted. So depending upon that you can just see the things. You can take photo of this and you can just see where you stand, whether you are emotionally stable or emotionally unstable, are you introverted or extroverted, and then you can just make your goal setting plans. Discussing these qualities in detail is not the scope